In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to notes on Android. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get an image into your Obsidian notes by placing the file in your vault and embedding it with Obsidian's image syntax. Before we start, make sure you already have Obsidian installed on your Android device and you know where your vault is stored. It also helps to have the image saved on your phone, for example in Downloads or your gallery, so you can move it into the right folder. First, open your Android file manager and go to your Obsidian folder. This folder is your vault, the place where all your notes and attachments live. If you've used the default setup, it will be in your device's internal storage. The key idea is that Obsidian only previews files that are inside the vault, so we're putting the image there first. Next, find the specific project folder where you want the image to live. Storing images with the related project keeps your notes portable and organized. If your project already has a subfolder for attachments or images, use that. Otherwise, placing the file alongside the note works fine. Now paste the image file into that project folder. You can copy it from wherever it's currently saved and move or paste it into your chosen folder in the vault. PNG and JPG are great choices on Android, and keeping the file name short and clear will make it easier to find later. If your device asks for storage permissions, allow access so the file manager can write to your Obsidian folder. Switch back to Obsidian, open your vault, and navigate to the note for that project. Put your cursor where you want the image to appear. You'll embed the image using Obsidian's format for media. Type an exclamation point followed by two square brackets, like this. Exclamation, open bracket, close bracket, close bracket. Place your cursor between the brackets and start typing the image's file name. Obsidian will suggest matching files from your vault. Choose the correct image from the suggestions so the link points to the file you just pasted. Press enter to confirm. You should see the embed appear in your note. In reading view, the image will display inline. In editing view, you'll see the embed code and a preview if your settings allow it. If the image doesn't show up, double check that the file is inside the same vault and that the file name matches exactly, including capitalization. That's all there is to it. Your image is now part of your Android note in Obsidian, neatly stored and easy to reference.